Does your mind race the moment things get quiet? If anxiety has been stealing your peace, give me 2 minutes. I'll show you a simple gratitude journaling routine you can start today that has helped so many people feel calmer, sleep better, and finally breathe again with just a pen and paper. Gratitude brings calm to your mind. Gratitude helps interrupt anxiety right in its tracks. It stops the spiral. It slows your breathing. It shifts you from panic to peace. Mm, mm, mm. Science proves this. Scripture reinforces it. Your journal becomes the place where your soul exhales. I'm going to give you a journaling exercise. I want you to write this down. Today, I choose gratitude instead of fear by, and then finish it. List one thing you will take. What step, big or small? Choosing gratitude is choosing peace. So I want to give you a final recap, okay? Gratitude helps you see God again. Gratitude strengthens your faith. Gratitude also brings calm and peace. And journaling allows all three to settle into your heart. What a blessing God has given us. Oh my goodness. So listen, if this has blessed you, I'm going to ask that for you to please, subscribe and follow. I want to encourage you today because no matter what you're walking through, there is still something God is doing, and gratitude will help you see it. It will refocus you. And so, again, I thank you for visiting. I thank you for coming. You all know I love you, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.